Welcome back to online English class. This is level 1, lesson 19, which starts on June 8th. This is part 2. In this video, we are working on lesson C and lesson D in unit 10. In unit 10. So you are probably watching this video between June 8th and June 21st. This video was filmed on June 4th, 2020. Okay, so we know that we have the expression to be going to, and then if the word after this expression is an action, a verb, then we know it's in the future. So if this word is something you can do or an action, we know the sentence is in the future. So now I want to talk to you about how Americans say this. So we can say, I am going to, let's say I am going to wash my car. So the sentence is, I am going to wash my car. We know this is in the future because after the expression is a verb, an action. I'm going to wash my car. But this is a very long sentence, right? It's very long. So what we like to do is we like to say things fast, fast, fast. So what we do is we put these two words together. Going to. Going to becomes gonna. So we have I am gonna wash my car. So we have this long sentence, I am going to wash my car. And then we make it shorter. So we put going to together and we make gonna. So now the sentence is, I am gonna wash my car. So if we have going to, we can say gonna, but only for the future. We only do this for the future. So gonna, the word gonna. The next word is always a verb, an action. The word after gonna is always a verb because we only use gonna in the future. We say, I am gonna wash my car, I am gonna go to work, I am gonna go to sleep, I am gonna eat dinner. We use gonna for the future. We only use it for verbs. We do not say, I am gonna to the store. I am gonna to the store. I am going to the store. This is wrong because the store is a place. We do not use gonna with a place. We only use gonna with verbs, with the future tense. This sentence is in the present tense, so it's wrong. We don't say it like that. We only use gonna for verbs, for actions. Okay, so we have, I am gonna wash my car. We can write this even shorter because we can put I am together. So we have am. We put I am together, we have am. I'm gonna wash my car. So, we don't see this sentence a lot. I am going to wash my car because it's very long. It has too many words and Americans are lazy and we don't like to say all of these words. I am going to wash my car is too many words. So we like to say, I'm gonna wash my car. I'm gonna wash my car. We put going to together and we have gonna. We put I am together and we have I'm gonna wash my car. I am going to wash my car. I'm gonna wash my car. So, for to be, we have I am, oops, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. So these are all of the different ways we use to be. We can make all of these shorter, right? So I am becomes am. You are becomes your. He is. Oh, that's the wrong letter. He is becomes he's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. They are. There. So these are the short ways to say to be. I am. You are, your. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. So let's change I am. We can change I am to you are, your. So we can say, you're gonna wash my car. You're gonna wash my car. Or we can say, he is. He's gonna wash my car. He's going to wash my car. She is. She's gonna wash my car. It's gonna wash my car. We're gonna wash my car. They're gonna wash my car. We change this here. So we can change I'm to your, he's, she's, it's, we're, there. Now one more thing you need to know, we use gonna for the informal. The informal English. So this is the English you use with your friends, your families, just friends and families. We say gonna. But if you talk to maybe your boss or someone important, we like to, if you're talking to someone important, like your boss, a judge, or you want to be nice to someone or someone you don't know, maybe to your parents, your grandparents, we like to speak formal. We say a lot more words. So we say going to. So let's say you're talking to your grandmother. You can say, I am going to wash my car. But if you're talking to your friend, you can say, I'm gonna wash my car. I'm gonna wash my car. So we use gonna for the informal when we talk to our friends and our family or to the children. We use going to for formal things, for a doctor, a grandparents, maybe on TV or in writing. If you're talking to me, you can use the informal or the formal. It's okay. Okay, so now let's go to Unit 10, Lesson D. On Unit 10, Lesson D is on page 128. Page 128. Okay, so I want you to stop the video, read the story, and answer the questions yes or no. So stop the video here, and then we are going to talk about the answers. Okay, so now you should finish reading the story, and you should have answered all of the questions. I'm going to read the story so you can practice listening. Also, you can listen here with your phone. So let's try. Dear Ming, last weekend we went camping in the mountains. I went hiking. My husband and our sons went fishing. They also went swimming in the lake. We all had a great time. Tonight, we are going to eat fish for dinner. After dinner, we are going to watch a movie. Later tonight, we're going to be very busy. We are going to do the laundry. With 3 boys, we have a lot of dirty clothes. See you soon, Maria. Okay, so we can see that this email is for Ming. This email is to Ming from Maria. So Maria is the person who is writing this email. We can also see that this email has 2 different parts. The first part is in the past tense. We're talking about last weekend. The second part is for tonight. We're talking about tonight, but we're talking later tonight. So how do I know? Because Maria is saying we're going to eat. So this means it's in the future. It happens later tonight. After dinner, we're going to watch. We're going to do. So this means that this is in the future. So the first part of this email is in the past. The second part is in the future. So here are the answers. 1. Last weekend, the Lopez family went shopping. No, last weekend, the Lopez family went camping. Why do we say went shopping and went camping? Because when we have activities, we say go shopping. Go shopping is an activity. And when we have an activity, we say go shopping. If we want to say this in the past, we change go to went. So they went shopping. Well, they went camping. Okay. Number 2. Maria's email is about her family's activities last weekend and next weekend. No. Her email is about last weekend and tonight. 3. Mr. Lopez and his sons went fishing last weekend. Yes. 4. The Lopez family is going to eat pizza for dinner. No. The Lopez family is going to eat fish for dinner. 5. After dinner, they are going to watch a movie. Yes. 6. They have a lot of clean clothes. No, they have a lot of dirty clothes. Okay, so number 1. Who went swimming in the lake? Who went swimming in the lake? Mr. Lopez and his sons went swimming. Who is Mr. Lopez? Mr. Lopez is my husband. My husband. Maria's husband. Maria's husband is Mr. Lopez. 2. What is the Lopez family going to do later tonight? They're going to do the laundry later tonight. What does do the laundry mean? Do the laundry. Do the laundry means to wash and dry clothes. Let me write that again. Do the laundry means to wash and dry clothes, to clean the clothes. Laundry. Let's look at the word laundry. Laundry is similar to the word laundromat. A laundromat is a place you can wash clothes. So a laundromat is a shop with a lot of washing machines and a lot of dryers. It's a place you can wash clothes. So do the laundry means to wash and dry your clothes. And last question, number 3. Is the Lopez family going to be busy tonight? They're going to be very busy tonight. They have a lot of clothes to wash. Okay, on the next page we have sports. So we have 9 pictures of sports, and at the bottom we have, here and here we have the names of these sports. So let's see. Number 1, we have football. Let me use this book. It's easier. Number 1, we have football. Number 2, we have baseball. Number 3 is basketball. Number 4 is ping pong. Another name for ping pong is table tennis. Another name for ping pong is table tennis. We have ice hockey, or just hockey. Ice hockey or hockey. We have soccer, surfing, ice skating, and skiing. So these are all the sports. So these people who are playing the sports, we call them players. So the person playing football is a football player. The person playing baseball is a baseball player. Person playing basketball is a basketball player. Soccer player, hockey player. We use this for team sports. We use blank player for team sports. So team sports are sports you play in a group. It's a team sport. Team sports are sports you play in a group. So soccer is a team sport. You have 2 different teams. They play against each other to score a goal. So this is a team sport. So we can say these are soccer players because we only use this for team sports. Basketball players, there are 2 teams. Baseball players, 2 teams. Football players, 2 teams. Ping pong players, not a lot of people say that. Surfing. Is surfing a team sport? Is surfing something you do in a group? No, usually no. It's not a team sport. It's an activity, a sport, but you don't play in a team. So we say this person is a surfer. We say she is a surfer. She is a surfer. These people are ice skating. She is skiing. Okay? And last thing, with the sports baseball, basketball, football, hockey, ping pong, and soccer, we use the word play. I play baseball, he plays basketball, she plays football. With the sports ice skating, skiing, and surfing, we use go. It's also helpful because these words end with the letters ing. Skating, skiing, surfing, all of these sports end with ing. So we know we use go. Go ice skating, go skiing, go surfing. Play baseball, play football, play soccer. Okay, so now I want you to tell me, what seasons do we play these sports in? What are the seasons? The seasons are winter, fall, spring, and summer. Not in that order. But these are the 4 seasons. So let's just say winter and summer. Let's just say winter and summer. So we have hot and we have cold. So when do we play these sports? Do we play them in the winter or in the summer or all year round? All year round. All year round means all year, so 4 seasons. All year round means you can play it in any season. If it's hot or it's cold, you can still play because it's all year round. Maybe some sports are only winter sports and some sports are only summer sports. Maybe some sports you have to play indoors, so inside. Some sports you have to play outdoors, outside. So let's start with winter, summer, and all year round. Winter, summer, and all year round. Which seasons do you play these sports? When it's hot or when it's cold or any time? Football. Football, let's say it's a summer sport. And you have to play it when it's warm. If it's too cold or if there's snow, nobody plays football. So football and baseball are summer sports. Basketball. You can play basketball inside or you can play outside. I say basketball is a all year round sport. You can play it in all 4 seasons. Ping pong or table tennis. Ping pong you play indoors, you play inside. So I'm going to say ping pong is an all year round sport. You can play anytime. Hockey. Hockey is a winter sport. You play hockey in the winter. Unless you live in Florida or Georgia, where it's never cold enough for ice. So you have to play hockey indoors. In Georgia, we can only play hockey indoors because there's no ice. Soccer, summer sport. Surfing. Is surfing a winter sport, a summer sport, or an all year round sport? Surfing. Surfing is usually a summer sport. You go surfing in the summer. Ice skating. Sorry, that was the house phone. Okay, ice skating. Is ice skating a winter, a summer, or an all year round sport activity? Ice skating is a winter sport because there is only ice in the winter. Same thing with skiing. There's only enough snow in the winter, so skiing is a winter sport. So of all of these sports, they are all outdoors, but some are indoors. Basketball can be indoors. Ping pong is usually indoors. Ice hockey, if you live in Georgia or the South, is indoors. So one more time, we have 4 seasons. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall. But I just wanted to talk about winter and summer because hot and cold. So we have some sports that are in the winter, some sports in the summer, and we have some sports that are all year round. They are year round. You can play these sports in all 4 seasons. It doesn't matter. And then we have indoors and outdoors. Indoors means inside. Outdoors means outside. So, we can play basketball indoors or outdoors. But if we want to go surfing, surfing is only outdoors.